Hi, this is Andrzej from Sketch Engine, and in this screencast I will show you which settings to use to change how you see the concordance in the Sketch Engine Corpus query system. Log in and switch to the new interface. Type a word or phrase to display a concordance. To change the information about each line, go to Line Details and select the information which should be displayed. This is how to check what is selected. The frequency of the line details can be calculated here. When many items are selected, it might be practical to display them above each line. Use View options for tags and other attributes. Or to hide or display structures such as sentence or paragraph beginnings and ends. If the concordance is very large, you can decide to work with a smaller number of randomly selected lines. By default, the lines are displayed in the same order as they appear in the corpus. You can change the order randomly to have the same page show lines from different parts of the corpus. You can order the lines by the quick, by the token that comes before the quick, or after it. Use this tool to calculate the frequency of any of these. A sorted concordance has a jump menu to quickly move around. Advanced sorting options are available from this menu. The standard quick view lets you easily observe the context to the right and left. The view can be changed to see the complete sentences. Use the star to save this result to your favorites for easy access next time. To try Sketch Engine, register for a free trial on sketchengine.eu. To see more videos like this one, click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video. Leave us a comment if there is a special topic you would like to see.